Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Udoh, and every week I share great content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So welcome to my channel. Now in today's topic, we're going to discuss becoming your strongest version. And why do I say that? Well, as you all know, we're all going through a very difficult time right now, and it's very easy to become discouraged. It's very easy to become demotivated. There's a lot of stress due to the health crisis. We're still experiencing it. We're still going through it. There are lots of challenges ahead of us. There are issues with the supply chain. Most businesses are having trouble finding employees. So it's becoming a very, very difficult place in the world right now for people to survive. So the goal of this video is to let everybody know, or to let you know, that you're not alone. There are lots of people going through the same thing that you're going through. So don't beat yourself up, don't get yourself in the dumps. However, there are things you can do in order to get yourself in a better place, okay, to become the strongest version of yourself. As you know, there are basically going to be three areas I'm going to talk about. And the first area will be with your health. Now, like I said, we're still struggling with this health crisis. Whether you took the jab or you didn't take the jab, it's up to you. It should be a personal choice. However, there are things you can do with regards to your health to make sure that you put yourself in a better position so you don't get sick. One of those areas would be in terms of regular exercise. Okay, your diet. You need to be very careful on what you feed your body, and also making sure that you're active. I mean, I'm not saying you have to go to the gym every single day, but you can go for walks. You can take a casual stroll around your neighborhood. You can do maybe a half-hour walk with someone or by yourself. You want to stay active, because if you don't get yourself active, if you don't get yourself strong enough, then you're opening yourself up to all sorts of things. Okay, so you're not giving yourself a chance. So if you're sloppy with your eating, you're not feeding yourself nutritious foods, then you're weakening yourself. So I don't claim to be a nutritionist. I don't claim to be a doctor, but what I know is you have to take care of your health. So your health is very important. Your health is number one. Okay, so whatever you have to do, I don't know when you're gonna watch this video, but make sure you stay active. Make sure you take care of yourself. Okay, because all you have is your health. You only have one life, and if you mess it up, then unfortunately that's it. So you want to make sure that you take your health seriously. Make sure you get stronger when it comes to your health. Okay, that's one area. The next has to do with your wealth, or let's say your finances, because my channel is basically about personal finance and wealth creation. I'm still on my journey to creating wealth and achieving financial independence, which is my ultimate goal, which I hope that's your goal as well, to be financially independent. I know people say financial freedom, but I just want to be financially independent, whereby I have options. I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, without having to answer to anyone. So you want to make sure that you take your finances seriously, because one of the biggest issues that most people have is lack of financial education or financial literacy, which is lacking. Schools don't teach you finance. Families don't teach you finance, except the wealthy, who introduce their kids to the world of finance and wealth creation. Unfortunately, the poor, the middle class, upper middle class, have the wrong playbook when it comes to building wealth. Okay, so your finance should be paramount for you. You want to make sure that you're strong when it comes to your finance. You want to build that financial wall, so no matter what life throws at you, you're able to withstand it, you're able to overcome it, because you have the resources to take care of it. All right. And then the third area that I want to talk about where you want to be the strongest version of yourself would be with your love life, or you know, with your happiness. So this, like I said, I am not a relationship guru. I'm just, you know, trying to share some content with you on things that I have experienced personally. So you want to make sure that, you know, if you're seeing someone, that you devote your time to that person, because it's very easy to get distracted with social media. Social media can be great and social media can be very bad. For most people, you know, social media can be a distraction. So if you're seeing someone and you both are on social media and one person, you know, spends most of your time on social media, it's very tempting with all the visuals and things that you see on social media to get sucked into it while you neglect your significant other. So you want to make sure that, you know, you're true to one another. You know, you devote your time, you create times where, you know, you spend time together. It's unfortunate today most people are too absorbed with social media, with themselves, you know, with you know, taking pictures and, you know, just not being present. Okay, you want to make sure that you're present with your significant other, because, you know, like I said, social media can be a distraction, and I've seen social media destroy so many relationships just because, you know, people think the grass is greener on the other side. So these are just the three areas that I think if you work on these areas, you will become your strongest version. Okay, so I hope you found value in this video. I know my videos normally about money, about finance and all that stuff, but I just figured, you know, it's not always about money. It's not always about chasing money. Like my previous video, I talked about why there's more to life than just chasing money. So I hope you found value here, and as usual, if you like my content, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and also subscribe to the channel so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. Okay, so as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever ever give up. Okay, and I'll catch you in my next video coming up. Contains some very valuable information for you. Okay, be true to yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.